Hello everyone, welcome back to Affiliate Offers. Now, if you're new to this channel, in this channel we share legit ways to make money online. We also share remote work opportunities and tips to help you succeed in the digital space. Okay, so today is the last day of the month. As you can see, it is on August 31st, and I didn't want to jump into the next month without sharing with you what I've been doing so far, okay, the past 1 month. Now, this month I've been testing a bunch of platforms, and I actually applied for 17 different USA-based remote work account, and out of the 17, I was accepted in 6 of them. Some are still pending, some didn't go through, but out of the 6 that I was accepted in, I just want to share with you 2 platforms that I think is worth checking out, because one, this platform pays well, and they also offer long-term gigs. Okay, so the first platform that I think is worth checking out is called Respondent. Now, Respondent is a platform where you can come and register, and you'll be able to participate in research studies and interviews, and you'll be paid for that. So when you're here, just come and click on sign up as a participant. Then you'll have to verify your account. After verifying your account, this is the platform you'll see, okay, after registering. So one thing you need to do after getting the account is to complete your profile. Now you'll have to go through everything they require for you to complete your profile, but these are the type of jobs you will be seeing in your account. Okay, the jobs might be different because they usually post it after every hour. Like you see, this one was posted a day ago, and this is because I think it's late right now. So let's just check like the type of jobs that are here. You see, they pay like this one is, they are seeking for homeowners who enjoy outdoors home maintenance, and this one they will pay you for like 150 USD for a 75-minute gig. For 75 minutes you'll be paid 150 USD. So if you think this is a type of job you can do, you just apply. Then they give you an interview for that, and you'll be paid. See, Labor Day gift and chill, unpacking the joy. And okay, like this one, you see, it is a World Cup watchers. So join our research project to share your insight of the World Cup, and you get paid 25 USD for 26 minutes. 26 minutes you get 25 USD. So you see, in this platform, if you, after completing your profile, if you apply for so many of these gigs, you see this one is 27, you get 27 minutes, you get 25 USD. Where is another one? Let's check. For 6 minutes gig, you get 5 USD. Awareness and impression interview. So we are running a 5 minutes research. We are running a 5 minutes research interviews about labubus. I don't know what that is. Anyway, you can Google it out. Okay, we are seeking a range of perspective, whether you are familiar with them or not. I'm not familiar with them. We'll ask about awareness and impression. There are no rights or wrong answers, and you get paid $5. Okay, that's okay. I'll apply for that one. Now look at this one. 275 USD for a 90 minutes gig, and this is for Lenovo users. So if you have a Lenovo tablets, these guys are looking for you. We are seeking a Lenovo tablet users to participate in a 90-minute gig individual remote interview, where we'll discuss their purchase journey and current experience with the product. Really? And you get paid 275 USD. for a 90-minute gig. That's like 1.5 hours. You get paid this one. Okay. Now, you've seen the type of jobs available in Respondent, so go ahead and create your account. Then the second site that is worth checking out is this one. It is called Appen USA. It is different from the Appen account, the Appen platform, which right now is CrowdGen, I think. That one used to offer the one we used to do UHRS in. Okay, so this one is Appen USA. Now this platform is for US residents to get remote work. Okay, so when you are here, you need to come at here at careers. When click on it, you land to this page. Now when you're in careers here, you see they're saying we are always hiring amazing people to join our remote team. And that's true, because if you come down here, there are so many jobs available and no experience is needed for this. Even for Respondent, no experience is also needed for you to do these gigs. Okay, now for let's check like one gig here. Now customer agent chat, email, you get paid 500 USD for sign up. Now remote virtual assistant, you get paid 26 to 45 USD per hour. Are you a detail-oriented individual with strong organization skill? Do you excel at multitasking and enjoy helping others? Yes, I do. So I'll come and check on this one. Now, virtual health and wellness coach, mental health counselor. So if you know a counselor who might be in need of this 35 to 55 per hour USD, then you can also share this with them, and they can apply and get jobs. So let me just share check one gig. So for like this one, let's check for LinkedIn and Indeed job posting. Now this one is just for job posting, guys. So if you want to read more about these gigs, you just click on details. Now for this LinkedIn, you see salary is 18 to 25 USD per hour. It is a contract. Everything here is remote, and it is for USA resident. Okay, so one, you need to have a proxy. I believe now we've talked more about that. So by now you should be having your proxy. Okay, and until detect, we should not be talking about that anymore. Now this is the description. We are seeking skilled contractors to join our team as job posting specialist with experience in plug it in. Nice. Contractor role is essential for those who have personal or business Indeed or LinkedIn account. Now if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you can still create a LinkedIn account if you have a Google profile. Now for Google profile, I've taught you how you can make your Google profile. Okay, if you have a USA email, you can have, or if you have a USA email Gmail account, already you have a Google profile. Okay, so with that you can create the LinkedIn account and do this type of job. Now no skills is required for this one. Now the key responsibility: utilize your Indeed and LinkedIn account, and collaborate with our HR, keep job posting current and appealing, monitor the performance. Okay, the qualification, ownership of personal. Okay, willingness to use your. Okay, basic knowledge of Indeed. Now these are the things you can just Google if you don't know about it, Indeed, or how to do this type of jobs. Okay, so I did apply for one and I got accepted. Now they gave me an offer letter and I've already accepted it, and this is the offer letter that I was given. Now we are pleased to inform to formally offer you a position. Now for you to apply this type of jobs, I didn't apply for this one anyway. I was just giving you an example, but I applied for another gig here, and it's the one they gave me the offer letter. Okay, so one thing, you'll have to do an interview with them, also verify your account. Now let me just share with you the benefits they give to the people working with them after creating an account with them. Okay, so position overview, I won't show you that one. Now experience required, this one is for fresher, so no experience needed because they'll offer training for this. Now primary location is remote. Team assignment, it's on customer service. Now compensation is this one. I'm going to be paid 28 USD per hour. Okay, and the job is to start on 1st September. Okay, that is like Monday because today is 31st. Right now is 4:56 a.m. Now compensation and benefit, this is the reason why I said these type of jobs are worth checking out, because they also come with benefits for those people who are working, and this is a long-term gig. Okay, so they offer base pay salary, and the more you work, the more you get paid. And when I was doing the interview, they asked how many hours I can work, if I'm willing to work 40 hours a week, and I said yes. So this one times 40 hours a week, you can use your calculator and see how much you can make from these type of gigs. Now they also offer time off and retirement planning. Time off, enjoy a generous pay time off program that include vacation, personal days, sick leaves to recharge and stay healthy. Nice. Life and disability perk and extras. You will benefit from flexible work arrangement, wellness resources, training, strip and employee engagement programs. Okay, so for you to get this type of gigs, you need to verify your account, and you can use your relatives who lives in USA to verify these accounts. But for those people who don't have relatives in this kind of region or in USA, you can still contact me via email. Our email, you'll find it in the description, just the name of our YouTube channel, affiliate offers at gmail.com. You'll also find it in the description below. You can also join our Telegram group. After joining the group, you'll have to inbox me privately, and I'll see how I can help you with the verification documents for these types of accounts. Okay, so I'll keep on updating on other platforms that I'll be applying on, because I still plan of applying several accounts. I told you this month and next month is all about USA accounts, so you need to have the tools ready. That is the proxies. You'll find the proxy I'm using in the description below, the link for it, and you can use our promo code affiliate offers. Just use the name of our YouTube channel for you to get a 10% discount. Okay, so until next time, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, like, share with a friend, and subscribe in case you haven't subscribed. Okay, join our Telegram group. I'll see you then. Okay, bye.